vision, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.
Hello everyone, today we are gonna clean and cook our carb that we got in the last video. If you didn't get the chance to watch the video, click subscribe and go back to watch that video. It was exciting to catch the fish, and hopefully you like it also. So for this type of cooking that we call it traditionally Masgouf, it's basically hanging the fish near a fire. So set it next to a fire, not on the fire directly, so it takes its time to cook slowly, and it will be fully cooked and get the smoky flavor, and it will be awesome and delicious. But we're gonna need to set up the cooking tools and where we're gonna put the fish on and where we're gonna set the fire, because it's gonna need to sit near an open fire, not just heat, an open fire. I have here a bunch of bricks and tiles that I got previously, and hopefully I can do something with them. And I have also this base, so I can put the firewood on it, and let's see what it's gonna look like. Alrighty guys, as you see here, we set up the fireplace, and we put tiles in the bottom part and the base part. This is a spot that we used to have the pool in for the kids, but my son decided to inflate it by put a hole in it by one of these screws, and now it's useless. It's over there. So now we're gonna take advantage of that spot with no grass on it and set the fire here for the fish to grill it. As you see here, I put this edge here, so I'm gonna put the fish side on this side to get the fire going on that part, and hopefully it will get the heat from the fire and get it cooked slowly. All right guys, as you see now, this is the fish that we're gonna clean up and cook that we got from the previous video. It's a carp with guys, now we cleaned up the fish. It's ready to go on an open fire. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put it there. Some salt, a lot of salt actually.
A lot of salt.
And we usually,
So it won't be bitter.
we usually put lemon on it when we're finished, or we put some sort of sauce. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make that sauce. This is how it looks. We put something just to hold it, and we're gonna open up the fire now.
When is it gonna start? It smells yucky.
Like it's Chachi.
Where? Holy cow. Don't come to me. What's that? Oh, it's nothing. I thought butterflies.
It was a fire. It was fire.
Smells pretty good.
Alrighty guys, some updates to the setup that we did. Instead of having it, the fish having something attached to the side to hold it, I switched it upside down, because the ribs, as you see in the higher part, and that one get the fire directly, so it will cook better because it's thicker from the bottom part. To make the cook evenly, I had to do it in that way, so it will be evenly cooked. As you see, here I attached the handle in the bottom here, so it will sit tightly, and I put a couple bricks to hold it and make it not move anywhere. Alrighty guys, as you see, the fish almost fully cooked. Near that fire, smell is amazing.
Yeah.
As I told you, it is so simple. You can make it with just salt and squeeze lemon after you're done, or you can just put a sauce. Some places they make it by themselves, whatever sauce you like. We were planning to make sauce, but we had the kids were arguing they just wanted eat it with some lemon on it, so we decided to go simple this time. But next time, hopefully, I'll show you how to make the sauce. In this step now, as it looks almost done, the last step is to make it evenly cooked from both sides. We're gonna put the whole fish on the charcoal to cook the bottom part, and at the same time we can get rid of the scales. So as you see, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take the whole fish.
Don't stare at it. I'm gently blink. Slowly.
And gonna put it right on straight fire here to get it cooked.
Mosquitoes.